Art is often defined by creation. The meticulous assembly of parts, the countless hours of dedication, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. But sometimes, true art requires something completely different. It requires destruction. Welcome to Next Knowledge. Today, we're looking at something far beyond a simple model. It is a resurrection, a painstaking recreation of the legendary Spanish Royal Navy galleon, the Silent Mary, a terrifying ghost ship forged in the depths of maritime mythology. For most artists, spending months carving, sanding, and building a miniature masterpiece of this scale would be the ultimate finish line, a triumph to be placed behind glass and admired. But this is not a story about preservation. It is a story about transformation. In order to capture the true, battle-scarred essence of the Silent Mary, this artist is going to do the unthinkable. He is going to build a 7 million view masterpiece, and then he is going to set it on fire. Before the fire, there must be form. The journey begins with raw timber. Every single plank, every rib of the hull is measured and cut with absolute precision. There are no shortcuts here. The frame of the ship is built using the exact same structural principles as a real 18th century galleon. Notice the patience required for the hull. Each wooden strip is steamed, bent, and glued into place by hand. It takes an incredibly steady hand and a visionary mind to look at a block of wood and see the skeletal remains of a ghost ship waiting inside. The craftsmanship is so precise that you can almost hear the creaking of the timbers on the open ocean. As the main deck takes shape, the true scale of the ambition becomes clear. This isn't just about making it look like a ship, it's about making it feel authentic. Every tiny nail, every carved railing brings the Silent Mary one step closer to reality. A ship is only as intimidating as her armaments. Now we move into the microscopic details, the cannons, the rigging, the towering masts that will eventually hold her tattered sails. Creating miniature components requires the focus of a surgeon. The artist carefully shapes the ship's iconic figurehead and the ornate stern gallery. In its pristine state, the vessel is a breathtaking work of art. It stands as a testament to the golden age of sail, proud, magnificent, and seemingly invincible. But the Silent Mary is not famous for her pristine beauty. She is famous for her curse. She is a ship that has been to hell and back. And so the artist must push aside his instinct to protect his creation. To make her perfect, he must first ruin her. This is the moment of truth. Months of painstaking labor, thousands of intricate details, all leading up to a single spark. It is a highly controlled, incredibly dangerous process. Wood is unpredictable. If the fire burns too hot or too long, the entire structure will collapse into ash, and months of work will vanish in seconds. But if it doesn't burn enough, the illusion of a cursed, battle-damaged warship is lost. The artist uses the flame not as a weapon, but as a paintbrush. He scorches the hole to mimic the devastating impact of cannon fire. He lets the fire hollow out the lower decks, creating the terrifying skeletal ribs that give the Silent Mary her monstrous silhouette. He is literally weathering the ship with the elements. It's chaotic, it's heartbreaking, but it is deeply mesmerizing to watch. The flames are extinguished and the smoke clears. What remains is no longer just a wooden model. It has a soul. The transformation is absolute. The pristine wood is now charred, splintered, and beautifully devastated. By introducing fire, the artist didn't destroy his work. He elevated it. The battle scars tell a story of phantom encounters, stormy seas, and legendary pirate battles. It takes immense courage for an artist to burn their own masterpiece. But as the Silent Mary stands in her final, terrifying glory, the answer is clear. Some things must be broken to be truly complete. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If you appreciate the unbelievable dedication behind this build, hit that like button and subscribe to Next Knowledge for more extraordinary stories and fascinating discoveries. Until next time, keep seeking the next level of knowledge.